Okay boys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use this. It's called Permatex Complete Repair Rear Window Defogger Repair. This is going to be for the Crown Vic because the tab is broken off the window. I did use this once to apply the tab back, but it didn't work, so I pulled another tab off a junkyard car. We're going to put a new tab on it. So it comes with instructions, but I'll walk you through what you want to do. So here's our new tab. Already sanded it down. It comes with sandpaper in here, but you would take this and sand her down flat. So here we have a nice shiny flat surface. You do the same to where you're going to put it in the car, and I'll show you that when we get in there, but you don't put it back right where it went. You're going to sand down the element, the heating element, in a different location, and you're going to check for continuities. You're going to use your ohm meter, and in the case of the Vic, it's got 3.8 ohms of resistance from where this tab is supposed to go to the top tab, from the top tab to the passenger side tab, and then same from the driver's side tab to the passenger side tab. So that's what you're looking for. Now, alcohol prep pad, we'll spray that, wipe that with the alcohol. This evaporates quickly, so you want to do that and the part in the car at the same time, because you only get one shot at it due to its quick evaporation. Okay, and here's the old tab that doesn't work, so it's bent up out of the way, as you can see, and then we're going to mount the new one down in here. As you can see, I've sanded it away. I wanted to do it up here, but this just isn't long enough to reach, so it's going to have to go here. So I've sanded this down to make good connection. So we're going to use our alcohol pad and prep this and clean it. We've already sanded it, and then we'll do the same thing with this tab. Okay, so after the alcohol evaporates dry, your next step is to use this cleaner activator. Now, you only use this on the grid. You do not use this on the tab. So our tab is drying. The alcohol, this, you need to use, or you have to let it set for 2 minutes, but you have to use you have to attach it within 15. So I'm going to put this on, and then we'll take it the time it's taking. While it has to sit for the 2 minutes, we're going to go back inside and then mix our conductive glue in order to affix the tab. So for now, wipe it down, wait 2 minutes, but make sure you get back here within 15. Okay, we're back inside. Now, we need to knead this stuff together for 2 minutes. It says until it's a beige color. So we're going to knead 2 minutes. By the time we're done with that, our other stuff would be set. The stuff on the grid, the activator they call it. And then you have to apply, it says 1 drop to the surface of the tab, so we'll just put some on the tab. Maybe I'll put 1 drop, maybe I'll put more, I don't know, we'll see. Put some on the tab, and then you have to place it on the grid that has the activator, and you're going to hold it for 1 minute straight. After 1 minute, the tab should be set. At that point, we're going to go and get our multimeter, and then we're going to check for resistance again at all the points to make sure that we actually have resistance going, here to the other 2 tabs. If that's the case, our defroster will be all nice and good to go. So I have 1 more minute of kneading. Do you have to do it for the 2 full minutes? I don't know, maybe, but it says so, so we're doing it. And then while I'm doing it and you're watching me, yeah, we can just sit here and have the dialogue about everything else. Use the multimeter. Use the alcohol on both surfaces. Use only the activator on the metal grid after you've sanded it and you have good continuity. So I recommend sanding that down first, alcoholing it, making sure you have continuity where you plan on putting this tab. Alcohol the tab. Use the activator on that grid. While that's setting, come inside. Knead this thing for 2 minutes. And then we're going to cut it open, put it on the tab, go out there, hold it for 1 minute straight in place. And use the multimeter to check. And then you have to let it set for 24 hours. So don't plug it back in right away. Don't plug it in for a full day. I wouldn't even drive the car because you don't want it vibrating and falling off and losing connectivity, and then you just wasted 15, 20 bucks or whatever the hell you paid for this stuff. Permatex window defogger repair, which I got on Amazon, by the way, for I think 15. That was the best deal in town. eBay was more expensive. Advance Auto and AutoZone were more expensive. I'm sure there's other places that sell it. They were probably also more expensive, but Amazon was like 15 bones or 12 bucks or something like that. It was the cheapest. All right, so let's go ahead and go outside and get her done. Okay, hopefully you guys can see something. I have you in an unorthodox mounted position here, but okay, so we've pressed the new tab on, the one under the original, for 1 minute. As you can see, it's staying in place. We're going to switch to ohms. And now we're going to see if we ever so gently touch it, do we have resistance? Yes, we do. 4.1. Hell yeah, brother. Okay, that's good. Now, for a comparison, let's try the old one, the one I boogered up. Nothing. See? Nothing. But if you look here, where I sanded, resistance. New tab. Resistance. Okay, so that's what you want to have. Now, let's say I didn't have resistance. Let's say I put that on and I'm fucked. I'm like, oh my god, I got no resistance. Don't panic. Because remember, that activator is good for 15 minutes. And I still have you only put like enough to cover the tab, so you still have a shitload of that glue elsewhere. So what you can do then is if you sanded enough of it away, you can attempt to relocate it. Just pull it off and then put it someplace else where you had resistance before, because the activator is still good, assuming it hasn't been 15 minutes yet, and then just allow it to set again. So you don't have to be boned. And here's the you know, the remainder of it, a shitload of it. So, all right, that's how you repair your rear defroster using that Permatex rear defroster. And now that I actually checked with an old meter, we're good this time. I'll be honest, the last time I was lazy and I just quickly put it back where the old one was. Yeah, don't do that. Sand in a different location. Make sure you have resistance with the old meter and then put it there. Don't put it where it used to be. Put it in a new location. Check for resistance before and after, and then you'll be fine. You won't have to do this twice. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Okay, it's now 2 days later, so let's go ahead and plug her in. We can see our tab is not broken off, so it survived. So hopefully it can survive this angle. Maybe I should have left it straight. I actually bent this, but maybe I'll put it more straight. Alright, that should work. Alright, so now that we're in, let's power it on and we'll see if it works. Alright. Let's see. Yep, there it is. See, my breath disappears from the foggy places first, or at least, I don't know, maybe you can freaking see it. and there you have it. That's how you fix and repair your rear defogger with the Permatex kit. Went and checked with the multimeter also. We do have resistance from there to there, there to there, there to there, and 12 volts from there to there and there to there, I think. I don't remember. There's not an easy way to mount anything up in here for you guys to read it, but we checked the multimeter. We do have 12 volts of power, well, 12 and some change, but you get the idea. And we did the old breathe test on it, but we need to do a proper test one of these days if it ever rains and gets foggy in here. But for now, I'll consider that a win, consider that a fix. It's still affixed over there, it's connected, all is well. So, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.